Hey, this is Derek here from Muscle Car. We made a road trip out to Wheeler Racing Engines today. We have a 541 Hemi supercharged, fuel-injected engine we're going to dyno today. They got everything set up and broke in. Hopefully make some power numbers, and we'll get back to you. Yeah, this is going in a 1969 Charger we're building for a customer. Wow, that is awesome. Even with the air filter, it still makes the same power. Hey, we got some dyno numbers in, results. It looked like we peaked out at 957 foot-pounds of torque. That came in at 5,800. The thing makes 766 down at 3,600, so it's just a tire burner. Horsepower-wise, at 6,500 RPM, we were looking at 1152 and still climbing. So, very impressive motor.
It's all aluminum. Heath Black Hemi block. It's the new Heath Black Hemi water block. Real nice piece. Has Edelbrock cylinder heads on it that we did some hand porting on and cleaned them up. Has a Ray Barton intake manifold, single plane intake manifold that works really well with the Sniper blow-through fuel injection unit. It's 540 cubic inches. It's got a 4.5 inch bore, 4 1/4 inch stroke with a 7/100 long connecting rod. It's got a, believe it or not, it's got a solid flat tappet camshaft, which is pretty streetable. Motor turned out beautiful, runs great, runs on pump gas, makes over 1,100 horsepower. I think he's going to have a lot of fun with it.